All right, exterior handles. Little tool, just keeps it popped out for you. Makes it a little easier to take apart. Remove that screw. Pop your old handle off. Little cap. The easiest way I found is just give it a little pry on the bottom, give it a little pry on the top. Pivot pieces are already installed, bumpers are already installed. This just slides in and pushes on. Gets a little rod in there. You'll hear it click in. So get your tool back in there, line that up, it'll slide right on there. You'll use one of the supplied screws. These are a little tamper-proof. Little supplied tool. Again, watch out for this little edge, especially if you have a wrap. When you're coming around, make sure you don't nick it. As I nick it. So once you're in there nice and tight, switch ends to torque it down a little bit. Get it nice tight. Pull your little tool out. Cap gonna pop on. So, if you notice, they are made to fit really tight. You got to get it popped in one side, the other one, and then just push on it. Make it so that it sits flat and it'll lock those little tabs in there.